What's up, guys? Welcome back. Hope you had a good weekend and a good Monday. I ripped up today, but DraftKings, we made a play, a quick play, news play on DraftKings. I haven't actually messed with DraftKings too much. I've seen it run up like crazy. I've seen it fall like crazy. It just seems like a volatile one. But today it ran up, let's see, 17%. It was nuts. I'm gonna show you this play that we did. What was the news? Oh, that ESPN is exclusive with them now. I think that's what it was. Let's see. ESPN diversifies with sports betting deals with DraftKings and Caesars. So they're going to be doing exclusive deals with both of them. DraftKings went nuts. I'll show you the play we did. We're up right now. You can't see it. Let me move this over. Right now we're up 271% on it. I only got one of them. I didn't sell it out. I have till September 25th. I think it's about to be in the money. DraftKings might settle down a little bit, come down a little bit. But then I don't see why it wouldn't go past $50 by the 25th, and maybe even continue on. Maybe just a little consolidation for a day or two, and then keep going. I didn't see any sign of reversal at all. So with crazy news like this, though, it's kind of a reaction. Might come down, and then before it goes back up, but I'm just holding it. I could have sold it out today for 271%, but I think I'll be able to get this thing in the money. So I'll show you the details of it here. I bought it for 82 cents at 12:03, and you can see if you look on the 5-minute chart, this is 12:05. So this big green candle is 12:05. We'll even break it down more than that. So shout out the trading fraternity for the news, listening on there, watching chat. Actually, you get it quicker if you can read chat, because they're putting it out, and then Josh will say it. But I wasn't looking. I was just listening at that point. So when he mentioned it, it was right about here, and I just quick jumped on the option chain. Said something about ESPN exclusive DraftKings, and it already had good news. Just with sports starting back up, and people having to stay home and watch it, and I don't know. Seems like a good player, even for long term. But yes, we got in it pretty much almost on that first candle. And yeah, because it was right here. So it was just doing a little consolidation. I looked at the September 20th. There's already a lot of premium on them, so I jumped up to the next expiration, and at that point, the share price was down here. So the 46, the 50, the 55, these were all out of the money still. The 46 had come up some, the 55 had come up a little bit, and then the 50 hadn't really made a move. So I just actually market ordered, because there wasn't a big spread at all on the 50. I just hit buy one, and it filled me at 83. And actually the bid was 80 and the ask was 85, but it filled me at 83. And so yeah, at the time it was about market price. Wasn't like a great deal, but I got it a little bit cheaper than I think what they paid for it, 55. But yeah, it just ran up today like crazy, and now it's just about in the money, and it's up to 310. So that'll be $82 into hopefully 300 or more. This might turn into this might turn to a 500, 700% little play here. We'll see. And then I have till the 25th on it. So that's pretty much it for the DraftKings play. I mean, it's basically almost in the money. And if you look at the options, the ones that are in the money, this one's 500, that same expiration. So it could get up there. We'll see. I'm stoked. And then for earnings tomorrow, see here, we have earnings upcoming. This is Webull. I'm showing you here right now, guys. We have Adobe, FedEx, and Herman Miller. Herman Miller's like office furniture. It's kind of high end, but I'm bullish on all three of these for earnings. We'll see. Maybe it's all been priced in for them. Maybe it hasn't. I didn't make a huge play on them, but yeah. So FedEx ran up yesterday and kind of sold off today. I got this one here. I got this one. Yeah, I got this one a little early. On the I got it on my E-Trade account. Here's my E-Trade account. And yeah, I got the FedEx. It's only up $12 today. I got a debit spread on it, I think. Yep, I just got one of them. One debit spread for the 270, 275 call. So I bought the 270 and I sold the 275 call. So it'll cap my gains, but doesn't have to shoot up as much to make money with it. And it's not as prone to theta decay since I sold a call in there too. They kind of cancel each other out some. This is weird. So Tesla went crazy today. I'll just point this out real quick. Went crazy up, as you saw, I'm sure. This says it's down 1800. That's just E-Trade being weird. And then if you look at my Robinhood, this one just shot up. So at the end of the day, this was, for some reason, this wasn't like changing all day. It was like 0 and then plus 25. And then at the end of the day, it just went crazy. So I don't know if that's just market maker weird stuff or what, but finally this debit spread's starting to look like it's valuable. Yeah, Tesla went crazy today. We were up 740, and then like at the close it went up another 200, I think, just because this thing finally, I don't know, finally ticked. So I don't know if there's a huge spread or what it is, but yeah, that's sick. Count went up a lot today. A lot of that's Tesla. Tesla came up $371 on 8 shares. Rocket came up. Wells Fargo kind of bounced. Space was coming up. A lot of the stuff is green today for this account, this long term. But it's crazy because I must have just paid crazy premium because, well, I mean Tesla wasn't up this much all day, but I guess now it's finally caught up because this was like around 0. I was like, how is Tesla gonna go up like 12% in the day? And yeah, I mean I bought this a day early. So if you look at the chart on Tesla, I bought it on that like little fake out on its way down. I can't look at these parts. So I bought it. Yeah, I bought it right here. So this whole valley right here just crushed the premium on that thing. So it had to go all the way up here, this crazy run up the other day, and then now this crazy run up, and now we're finally making money on it. And I don't think it's even this high. I think this is a glitch. I think we're only up like $50 on it maybe if I want to close it. So even though we're back at the same price, yeah, it's nuts. And with all the volatility we had today on it, all the momentum, all the velocity, it's not going crazy yet. But if we have a couple more days with Tesla, that should produce good results, as well as this one. This one was plus like 120, and then the bell closed and it went negative 1300. So that doesn't make any sense. But this is a pretty big position. I've got 8 of these. October 8th, 500 and 505 debit spread. I bought the 500, I sold the 505, and max gain is the difference between those two. So I think the max gain on that's like 3,200 or something. If we look at it, let's see, I can analyze it. Yeah, 3,300 is max gain on that, and that's if Tesla goes to 507. 506. Yeah, 506 by that date. So we'll see with battery day and everything. I'll probably sell a couple of these if it keeps running up, and I'll probably sell at least a couple before battery day, because battery day I think we'll shoot it up even more after whatever Elon Musk announced, but possible it'll sell off because it will probably be way overbought. So for Adobe and FedEx, I just got one of both those. I got those for earnings tomorrow, so just a short period on those. And then BA, I can't remember. I got in this position like last week. Got 3 of them. It's just been consolidating a lot. Looks like it's ready to start running up. There's a SPY credit spread that expired worthless today, so we made the premium on it, $26. That is neat. And yeah, on the long-term Robinhood, we're slowly climbing back up. It was a big day. Tomorrow will probably not be as big. Maybe we'll be red on this account. But yeah, so far in the week we're up 1,200, so that's pretty sick. And that's not with any SPY credit spreads really. Well, I guess it is. I guess I did a couple, just small ones though, because I didn't have any capital in this count since we blew it up a little bit on these two failed SPY credit spreads. So by the end of the month, I'd like to be back up where we were here. So basically these two SPY credit spread that failed, and then the market kind of crashing. Hopefully that only burned a month. It'd be nice if it burned less, but it maybe burned a month of time to get back to where we were, and to change strategies a little bit so we are protected from that better next time. These two dips shouldn't have happened. This is understandable with the long term. When the market goes down, your long term is going to go down, but this shouldn't have happened. So at any rate, AAL, yeah. What went up today? Stuff is going up, and my options, AAL went up a lot today, and this thing is just still so crushed from, I got into too early, didn't get in on the bottom, but hopefully that'll keep going on that one. Rocket, dude, yeah, Rocket too. Rocket went up like crazy today. I mean, not as crazy as the other ones, but, and I don't know why the options aren't doing anything. Yeah, 4%. I mean, that's pretty good. So it's a heavy consolidation here, but it's crossed the MACD yesterday after hours, and it's showing definitely signs of strength. This looks like a big bull flag to me. Just big pole that's green, and then consolidation up here like a flag. So I think it should keep going unless the market pulls it down for some reason. Tesla after hours going crazy. It's nuts. DraftKings, I don't know. I feel like I'll hold it for a little bit, especially if it comes down tomorrow, because I'm gonna wait for it to come back up. I want this one to become a 1000%er. Yeah. So Tesla shares did good today. Rocket shares did good. Space did good. Levi, I'm still negative on a lot of these. Kodak kind of went up today, but. Yeah, so I sold calls on ones that were up today. I sold calls on Space, Wells Fargo. I think I did all the ones that ran up, and hopefully we get some more good news tomorrow. And we can trade off it, because that is neat. And that will do it for me, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like up, sub up, comment down, make your money happy money, so it'll stick around. See you tomorrow. Out.